Yum. Bigfoot here. This is my first vlog on this channel. I just want to introduce myself and say, hey, if you're watching this, I guess you're the curious type. Most folks think I'm just a story, a blurry photo, a campfire joke. But I'm here, right now. Sweet as summer sun. These berries will keep me going till dusk. Who's ready for a day of adventure? Guys, fun fact, Bigfoot is immune to toad poison. See this little guy? Yum. Okay, that's enough fun for today. Time to repair my axe. As you can see, the handle snapped. Bought him that last spring. Now listen, watch this. Woo! Woo! I need to find the perfect stick for my new axe handle.